Realme has officially confirmed a new imaging collaboration with Ricoh Imaging for its upcoming flagship, the Realme GT8 Pro. Realme GT8 Pro's 5 Ricoh GR-inspired color styles revealed: positive film, negative film, high contrast black and white, standard, and black and white. Its rear camera setup will comprise a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700 primary camera, a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 periscope telephoto camera, a 50MP ultrawide. Realme GT8 Pro may launch on November 11th as India's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 phone. It is likely to ship with the Realme UI 7-based Android 16. We already see hands-on video Realme GT8 Pro a few weeks ago. The GT8 Pro is seen with a circular housing on the back. Realme's upcoming GT8 Pro will feature user-swappable camera island designs, so if you don't like it square, you can have it round. It features a BOE-supplied 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with slim bezels on all sides, 2K resolution, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Keeping it powered is reportedly a massive 8,000 mAh battery. With 120W fast charging, Realme GT8 and Realme GT8 Pro are confirmed to launch in China in October. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.